Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today on Monday, the 11th. Monday, April the 11th, 2022. We have here a large puzzle page with one medium Sudoku, one regular medium Sudoku, and we have also an additional with extra puzzles. The first puzzle in the additional, a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a binary and a tectonic with a 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles in the additional, and of course I will do the regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium, and this will be number, I believe, 4390. 4390. Let me write it here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong, but for 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star then. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see which number I can pick. I'm scanning. Come on, it's taking too long. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. 6 in this column, last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah. 7 in this row, first row. 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. Excuse me, 7 should be here. Alright. 7. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see there's a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7, it goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, I cannot continue with the 2 now. How about 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Then. Let me see. 6. How about 1, 3, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, and look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 1 is missing, okay. Then 3, 4, and a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column. Third column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 4. The 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. Second row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then. Let me see. 2. All right. 8. 7. No, 7 and 3. Yeah. Well. 3, 6, 3, 8, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. We have a 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. One box left in this row for number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So no row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. Here, 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, I cannot continue with the 8 now. I need to wait. How about I'm thinking. 4 should be here. 3 should be there. Then 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 3 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. A 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. The final 2 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. We have here the 813, 813, the 752, the 752, and the 924, 924. We have here only one pair, the 2. Alright, thank you, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.